Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you healthy beetroot, carrot and apple drink. This drink is so refreshing. You can call it ABC juice. It's very refreshing and it has a lot of benefit. Let's dive into this drink. If you are trying to go into a nutrient diet, why don't you try this recipe? I'll be using 2 red apple. Please remember to wash all your ingredients before you start making any recipe. It's very important to wash all your ingredients. So I'm going to cut my apple, just freely diced, not fully diced. I'm going to cut it into two. So I'm using 2 red apple for this recipe. This recipe is very full of nutrients and it's also good if you are trying to go on healthy diet. I'll be using beetroot as well. I'm using 2 beetroot for this. I'm going to cut it like into quarters, not fully diced, but easy for me to extract and get my perfect juice. This drink you can take it any time of the day, and it is very good and is very perfect for trying to go into a perfect diet and also trying to go into weight loss. It's very full of nutrients. It's so beneficiary to your body. So please try this recipe and let me know in the comment section once you try it. So as I said, I'm going to cut my beetroot like into quarters. So then I'll add it into a plate. So these are my basic ingredients. I'm only using 3 ingredients for this. I'll also be using 1 large carrot. This carrot is also tastes very good. We all know that carrot is very good and is very rich in, if you want to improve eyesight, like it's rich in vitamin C, and also beetroot is also rich in basic other nutrients and minerals. So these ingredients, these 3 fruits and vegetables are very good for your head. So taking it as juice is very good. So I'll be using juicer. You can also use blender for this recipe. This recipe tastes very amazing and I love taking it every time. So you can add it into your drinks, like your daily juice that you take if you're trying to go into a full healthy nutrient, and it's very good. The taste is amazing. I really enjoy it. So after adding my ingredients into my juicer, I'm going to start juicing this recipe. You can also use blender to make this recipe if that is what you have. Feel free to try. But I'm using juicer because I want to show how rich and how beautiful these trees look like. Please let me know in the comment section, and please do not forget to share this my recipe, and please go through my channel to see more of my amazing drinks and more of my amazing juice. I have a lot of recipe in my channel. Please go through it and watch more of my video. And please do not forget to try this recipe and share with your loved ones. So after extracting, I'm going to put it in a glass cup to enjoy this drink. You can take this juice as a normal juice that you feel like, and please remember to take a lot of water when you are trying to go into a full diet, nutrients, and also if you are trying to lose weight. Please always remember to take a lot of water. Enjoy this recipe, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next other recipe. Please stay safe.